Your boy Dom. I'm back with another banging video for you guys. Now, you may have been struggling to get 10, 15, 20, or even 30 pips as a day trader or intraday trader. Well, in today's video, I'm going to share with you the secrets to price action scalping so that you can scalp fairly easy setups and get you a consistent 10, 15, 20 pips every single time. Alright, so let's jump in this video and let's just bust it down. So we're looking at GBP NZD, alright, the pound versus New Zealand dollar. And when it comes to scalping for, 15 to 30 pips or so, or even 10 pips, what you want to do is you want to frame your setup around the 4-hour or the 1-hour chart. All right, so you want to frame it against the 4-hour, the 1-hour chart. In this instance, we're going to look at the 1-hour chart, and what you're looking for is for either if you know that you want to short the market, on this bull run, you're waiting for the buy side liquidity to get purged, right? So you want the buy side liquidity to get purged, and then you want to go down to the lower time frames to pull out your fib tool and find a simple retracement. All right. So in this instance, you want to go down to the 15-minute chart. So you see price purge that liquidity over here, right? So as it does that, as you see it getting purged, you're coming down to the lower time frame. Now, obviously, we're back testing this, so it's not in live and in action. But you want to kind of condition your brain to see this, so that when you're seeing it live, you can start to anticipate. You build up those anticipation skills. But as price is purging that liquidity, you're waiting for the market to come back down, to break down. Okay, and then what you're going to do is you're going to wait for it to break structure. And so as you can see, there's structures formed here, and you can see the structure broken. So now once this structure is broken, what I'm going to do is take my fib tool and run it on the bodies, and boom, you're gonna capture a simple OTE pattern, a 62 or 70 retracement, or even a 79 retracement, and then boom, you got a retracement here, you got a retracement there, right? And it just busts down, all right? It just busts down. Here, the market creates this structure, it breaks down, you hit a 62 level right here. Once this structure is broken here, once that breaker market structure here, you take the fib from body to body, and you measure those small little movements. And if you go down to the 5-minute chart, you can get even more sniper approach on this. But that's how you want to read it. So first step, wait for a purge. In this instance, we see prices going up. As price is going up, you're being impatient for the purge of the previous buy side liquidity, which if you remember from that 1-hour chart, we purged that. We purged it by like 40 pips or so. So yeah, about 45, 46 pips, right? And then once it started to break down, and it created this little miniature structure, and once that structure broke down, you can anticipate, I know they want to take it down, and this is scalping for 30 pips there. I mean, you could have scalped for 20. And on extremely volatile pairs like this, like British pound versus New Zealand dollar, it moves very strong and hard and fast. So you'll be able to capture your 10, 15, 20 pips with ease on these type of pairs. Okay. So look, we go through, we see sell side liquidity, we see price goes down, and then it starts to consolidate. What happens? It purges this sell side liquidity, right? It, it did hit a bullish 4 hour order block here, but then what happened is price started to go up. It broke this structure. Right? And if you go in the 5-minute chart, you can probably find probably a small retracement or what have you. But this video was short, man. I just wanted to give you a quick lesson on how you can do, price action scalping just using your basic fib tool, man. So hopefully you took something away from it. It was a short, quick, sweet one. Till next time, I'll give you some more videos. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you guys tap into the